All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to turn my old bike, kid trailer, whatever you call these things, into what you've seen in the thumbnail. This is some of the things, some of the parts I'm going to use. This old pallet, and my trailer is going to have this fancy little American flag on it. And that's just some screws, some metal pieces I had laying around. Pretty much everything I have here I had laying around. The only thing I bought today, I did buy these little rubber grommets. I'll just take you along on the ride here of building this, tearing this apart and making a little wooden trailer for behind my electric bike. That's going to be the bottom. Tear this apart. This here. Yep. I'm going to take this off. Right. Tighten it. There you go. Now lay that alongside here.
If you use these.
Where'd what go? Did it go in that hole? Right there. Good. Got it.
There we go. Have you ever had it like that yet?
Nope. It's coming on. Alright, we're down to the frame. 31 and a quarter. Okay, 31 and a quarter. And then we're going to go to, see them little rubber grommets? I'm going to go in those holes. And then I can stick this. See there, see that hole.
The thing that came with it.
Yep. And it fits really nice in it. Gonna fit?
Looks like it.
That's gonna be the bottom. That grommet fits right in that hole. It fits in there. Nice and tight. Now my boy Spence is trying to figure it out. Look at it. You just gotta slowly keep working it around there.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You'll figure it out.
Eventually.
Alright, so let me make these 31 and 5/8. Measure twice, cut once. Alright, I'm getting there. I got the 4 boards cut for the sides and the 4 cut for the front and back. Little poly, help protect it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like my carving? I think it's gonna turn out pretty good for, I don't know what I got into this. I did buy another piece that you'll see here later that I'm gonna put on. That was $8. I might have like $10 into this thing. Everything else I've had at my house. If you wanna count buying all this stain and everything, but I've already had all this stuff. Let's see if this makes this one look any better. All this wood's a little different. One's oak, I think, and one was just pine. Maybe. But they all carved a little bit different. All right, I think I'm finally at the point where I can start screwing this down. And I did screw a piece underneath here just to strengthen that up a little. I have to put one screw here, one up here in the middle, and I'm gonna put 2 more on each side here. So hopefully I can hit this frame. Gotta see how far I gotta go in. All right, I got my other 4 marked out. I got these 2. I might as well put these in. Looks good to me. Make sure the USA is right. I like it. What do you think? It's starting to look good. Okay, like that.
You want me to draw a line like right here?
Yeah, because I got to cut it off.
Are you good now?
I think so. Make sure I can I kind of see it? Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, that's that one. And go ahead and draw it. Just gotta get my flag. I'm gonna try these corners. So I don't like seeing this end grain. My corners aren't exactly like I thought, but it looks all right. It looks better, I think, than seeing that end grain. What do you think? I thought it was gonna cover this whole corner, but I miscalculated. That don't look too bad. 2 more corners, and I'll put my flag on. We'll hook the bike up, and we'll see what it looks like. Now I can put I want to put my solar generator in this thing with my solar panel on top and see how far I can go with it like that. Probably next summer. My mic is off, so I might sound a little different. I gotta change the plans. I think I need a bigger flag. So I got a bigger flag. All right, well, that's it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of how this turned out. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.